This is Sycamore Canyon, very close to the house. So little windy, but no problem with the e-bike, and it's a little downhill. Right here there is some gnarly drop, but I need to get my balance first. It's kind of cool section. After the rain, things might change here, so I need to watch that. Okay. Let's do some climb here in a second. Hello. E-bike make fun climbing. Going down hills, every bike is nice, but climbing is where I used to walk, and I probably still walk if I take regular bikes. E-bike make you keep pedaling, keep going, and it's fun. This is all climb and it looks straight with the e-bike. That's a good view for the Riverside downtown. Mission Inn, Ruby Docks Mountain is ahead. That's the Cajon Pass, where is the dusty area. All here because again I didn't ride long time, and I don't know if something changed, like those ruts. Now I'm gonna shift down. I've seen snake here once cross, huge, it was so scary, and I was actually walking on my regular bike. See, now I climb, so easy. Okay, let's see. Like those things, singles, rocky. Again, I don't know if something changed. I will ride safe. Lower the seat, lean back. Body position, use both brakes. Whoop. Okay. Fun. That was nice. Okay, raise up the seat, start pedaling. You can hear the motor, but it's not bad. I wish I could come here with my trial bike. I think we did once with the Asset, the whole family. It's kind of cool. I was riding this bike and wife and daughter rode Assets. Okay, need to lower the seat again. Okay, it's all clear. Oh, too fast. I rode a little bit 2 days ago on flat ground, but it's been a while. I was here in Sycamore, maybe 3 months, I'm not kidding, and it was raining lately. Looks like fall here. It's nice to ride with someone, especially if it's good. You guys pushing yourself. But it's also nice to ride alone, do what you like to do in your speed and your power. I'm going now to do one of my favorite drops. Should be there in a minute. I don't know if I'm warm enough for that, but oh, it's right there. Okay. So again, this is a Sycamore Canyon in Riverside. Very cool place. Lots of up and down hills, nothing crazy. It just makes the ride fun. You go up and down all the time. It's not like you go up for a couple hours or hour or two and coming down in 5 minutes and you're done, you go home. No, this is not the one. You can spend here a couple hours. It's a fun place, and there is a ride for everyone. There is more technical, there is a double and triple motocross. I mean, not motocross, but bicycle cross or whatever you call it. I never done it or tried to do it. I just enjoy the trails. Okay, stop talking. Let's get some ride. This is one of my favorite spa. I hope I'm ready for it. I was not here long time. Oh, yep. Yeah, not bad. Oh, nice. I didn't go as fast as I used to last time. Again, it's been a while I ride. Here is another drop. After the rain, everything looks crazy, but actually not too bad. Okay. This spa, I will come in a second. Always give me, oh, somebody add this new turn. That's cool. Right here I always have memory, and the reason I came here one day so fast, coming right here, and there was a huge snake sitting right there. I was so scared. I think I posted. That was last year. Okay, we are back to where we were. Anyway, I don't like snakes. I'm sure they don't like me. So it's all good. If anyone like to join me for a ride, hit me up, let me know. Hopefully you got e-bike. Whoop. Smelling water. Not too bad. I always try not to put the foot down, just like trials. Keep my balance. That's the key of riding mountain bike. I think the mountain bike will help anyone who ride motorcycle, and especially dirt bikes, because it's your body needs to push and keep the balance. Dirt bike is easier, you give some throttle, people usually go fast, and that's how they keep their balance. But the key is to go slow. Let's climb this badass. I always want to be in shape, and I don't ride as much as I want to because busy time with work, family, but you have to find time for yourself. That was easy with e-bike. I shall be a salesman, huh? Keep saying e-bike, e-bike. I don't get any commission. No, seriously. Once I rode e-bike first time, I just couldn't stop. I had to have one. So much fun. Like I said, you can cover the whole park in very short time. Not too many people today on a Saturday noon. Somebody lost a water bottle. So it looks like it was a fire here last year, and actually sometimes it's good for environment because it clean everything, and now all the rocks exposed for us can make a new trails, and then it's all green, so animal got something back if they survive the fire. I couldn't see none of those earlier last year. It was full of tall grass, dry. Now I can go anywhere I want. It's actually so cool. Like I said, the fire cleaned out all the tall grass. Now everything exposed. I can see already some guys make a new trails here. And there. Now it's really nice to come with a trial bike and play around here. It's awesome. Now I see the rock is a downhill. Never saw it before. And don't tell me somebody jump over there. They mark the rock on the corner and I can see a trail. Some people really pro or crazy, but they love it. That's the most important. Do what you love. something new here. Whoa, 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 whoa. Too fast. Look how nice. I can climb anything. Almost anything. So nice now again. Grass. That's not where I wanna go. I was looking on something. Look it. That's what I was looking. I already knew somebody make a new trail now. See? This is awesome. I will try it next time. And then there is something there downhill. Wow. Again, not all grass. It's open up everything. Here is a new one. That's cool. Here you go. We start making new trails. You can do extreme enduro race here with those hills. Man. Look at this. Riding inside. Up and down. One time I fall here. I had no legs. Whoop. Whoop. Whoa. Slow down. Yeah. Wow, everything disappear. Here you go. Nice. Clear. Go, 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 go with the e-bike. Yes. Ta-ta-tam. Ta-ta-tam. I came that way from the bottom right there, climb everything and go this way. Now I'm gonna head back that way. You see the flat spot there? That's where I park.
Right here, this section right here, just lean right, don't brake.
Hi. Someone asking, sorry. Hi. Someone asking, sorry. Someone asked me how I like my 180 travel, and I said I absolutely love it because it's not really downhill bike, but it's no 130 or 150. And again, it depends for the rider weight, of course. So I'm about 180 and sometimes 190. Depends if there is a holiday or not. But the 180 travel is really good for everything. I can go aggressive downhill for my limit, and I can also ride. Whoa, I slide a little bit. And I can also ride cross country. So it's really good in between the 180. For somebody lighter, maybe the 130, 150 is enough. And honestly, I had 150 before and 160 and it was fine. But why not have extra? I do like the 180. I don't like your snakes. See, dropper is nice here in Sycamore because you go up and down, up. That's Moreno Valley, Big Bear area, Idlewild, Hemet. That's where I park. I climbed earlier right there. I was also over there. There is a lot more riding for this park. Actually on that side, there's a cool spa over there with the running water, which I'm not gonna go today. I need to go back and do something on my Jeep, but maybe next time. Also there is nice stuff here. Wait. Ah, nice. If you go slow, it's difficult. Right there you need to carry speed. The momentum just make you go through. It's a rock garden, small one for bicycle. The park continue all the way to those buildings and across the street all the way to the water tower and all around. Very nice place. Come check out Sycamore Canyon. Let me know, guys, what you think. I always say that, but I will try to make more videos in the future. If you guys show me some love, give me likes and subscribe. That's me. Let's see what we got here. No, I'm not driving. I cannot show you my password. Okay, so I did 1 hour average speed and distance almost 9 miles. I usually do 15 miles when I go there, come back. But it's no bad. I did not ride like 3 months or more over here. So this is no bad. I did hour. I really enjoy it. Next time we'll continue and do a little more. I will be in better shape. How is my battery? About half, and I have 9 miles to go. If I change different modes, like say like echo, which is barely. Those are my fat bike. I barely ride them, but I love them so much. I enjoy just even look at them. It's nice to have a spare bike.